Hello dear students, welcome to our online lesson. Today's our topic is the railway system in Uzbekistan. So listening special text, work with new special terms from professional dictionary and doing some exercises. So first of all I want you to skim the text, the railway system in Uzbekistan. After skimming, you should make up sentences using the words and word combinations given below. For example, high speed, passenger traffic, gauge freight traffic, to cross, underneath, journey, intermediate stations, to link, encompassing, combined length. Dear students, you should look at the dictionary and find the definition of these words, or you can just translate them, and after that you should make up sentences. So our next activity is fill in sequence. For example, here given is example. Name, for example, railway. Describing, you should describe this word, railway. For example, highly developed railway. The third one is action. So what action is done? For example, the railway is acting on the territory of Uzbekistan. The aim, it carries fast freight and passenger traffic. So, and the last one is revising of the meaning, the main artery of the economy. Yes, it's true that railway, as you know, it is the main artery of the economy of any country. So, I think that you understand how to do the sequence, and you should do with these words, for example, passenger and traveling, such kind of activity. After doing, you are welcome with sending it to my Telegram site, and I will check it. Okay, our next activity is fill in mind map. Everybody knows that what is mind map. It's like a cluster. For example, the railway system in Uzbekistan. Here you can see, and you should write words or word combinations which are related to this topic. Okay, so the next activity includes give short meaning of the text, the railway system in Uzbekistan. So after reading this text, you should retell it, and please, when you retell, switch on your camera, and okay, you should record it and send it to me as well. So the last activity is answering the questions. For example, when was the railway company Uzbekistan Timur Yolları or Uzbek Railways founded? What is the total length of Uzbek railways? What kind of traffic does it carry? What is the annual volume of traffic carried by joint stock company Uzbekistan Timur Yolları or Uzbek Railways? What kind of train does carry on our railways? What was the latest news or achievements taken place on our railways? Do you know about the total length of our railway network? Are there many kind of railway equipments? Have you had any trip on the train? Have you traveled on the new fast train? Okay, and so there are 12 questions and you should answer them. You should make you can answer them in written form and send me, or in oral form as well. So the sixth task is you should write essay about high-speed passenger traffic in Uzbekistan. For example, you can write essay about Talgo. Yes, everybody knows this new and modern type of traffic vehicle. So you are welcome with your essays. So in our lesson there is a full version of presentation which is very useful for you. Here you can watch it or get acquainted with this presentation. It is very useful and it's very interesting for you. Here is a map. So here is a little bit history of our rail transport, the new modern version of our railway vehicle. So the history of railway in Samarkand, the history railway of Tashkent, how it looked like, the museum for example, and how it is looking now. Information about State Joint Stock Railway Company, the map about new railway lines, and information about Samarkand Vocational College of Railway Transport. Here we can see the photo of our railwayman, of our new high-speed train Talgo or Afrasiab, and information here is given about Talgo and Afrasiab, and of course questions which are related to our presentation, and of course some activities. For example, give advantages of a diesel traction in Uzbekistan railways and advantages of electric traction in Uzbekistan railways. And here, for example, we can write my future plans, or as we see, your future plans. Yes, and I think that's all about presentation. And if you have any questions, you are welcome with your questions. You can send them via Telegram. So goodbye. See you next time.